So now I'm Robot. So today here we are going to explore how does a seed get scattered. We always know scatter seeds. So how does our mother plant scatter its seeds? Yes, by many agents. The mother plant scatters seeds by many agents. So let's see how does a seed get dispersed or scattered.
So here I am your Ani. So let's explore how the seeds are scattered. So seeds are scattered by 4 ways. They are water, wind, animals and human beings bursting. So let's see. Wind. Some seeds, example, the dandelion, cotton and the drumstick are light. So the dandelion here you are seeing have tufts of hair. Even cotton too. The cotton what we are using is the hair. I mean the light part. Like that cotton only helps that seed to fly. In the same way, the dandelion's upper hairy part helps the dandelion seeds to fly. In the same way, drumstick's flesh helps the drumstick to fly if the drumstick flesh get dry. So this is how the seeds are dispersed by agent wind. Next one, water. So here you are seeing a coconut. So here you can see outside the hairy parts. So these helps them to float in water. So these hairs help them to float in water and it's hollow from inside. You can even see when you crack the coconut for eating. And the coconut is it just gets floated and go to the ocean seas. Wherever the coconut seed falls down, then it floats and goes to a land or an island, and until that it turns into a baby plant and it sits there and it becomes a plant and it again grows into a big adult plant. That's why you can see coconut trees in the shores. In the same way, lotus seeds, hydrilla seeds, these seeds also are dispersed by water. How coconut is dispersed? In the same way, these seeds are also dispersed by water. Third one, animals and human beings. So you know that we just human beings take off the flesh, that is fruit, and throw away the seed. In that way, the seeds are dispersed. So if we don't do in that way, then how the seed get dispersed? Yeah, they cling to the animals and humans' body, cloth and hair too. So here you are seeing a seed. This is a tiger nail seed. So here the hooks are looking like tiger's claws, no? Yes, and even the spear grass even have hooks. These both have hooks and these help them cling on the animals and humans body. See, it looks like a tiger's claw. So one more agent, by bursting. So some fruit gets bursted and they get spreaded. In this way they are dispersed, they are scattered. So some fruits they curl up while drying. So in this way they throw the seeds. Pea, balsam and castoplats, these all scattered the seeds by bursting. They all scattered the seeds by bursting in this way. So here we have known all the agents, how the seeds get spreaded, how the seed gets dispersed. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye, take care, lots of love.